So students, now I am explaining question number 5. In the given figure, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. OS is another ray which is lying between OP and OR. Prove that ROS, this ROS angle is equals to half of QOS, half of this total angle QOS minus POS. So let us start the question. First, whatever is given, we will write that POQ is a line, OR is perpendicular on line PQ, OS is another ray, lying between rays OP and OR. To prove ROS, angle ROS is equals to half of angle QS minus POS. So let us start the proof. So first of all, we'll take this angle QOS, it is required here. So QOS is sum of angle ROQ plus angle ROS. So you have to keep in mind that we will start this question with these two angles. First angle is QOS and second angle is this right angle POR. Okay, POR is sum of two angles POS plus ROS. You can name these equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So QOS is sum of these two angles and POR is sum of these two angles. Now add equation 1 and 2. So QOS plus angle POR is equals to angle ROQ plus angle POS plus these are ROS, so we will write 2 ROS. Now we will try to put the values of angles if we know this. So we know angle POR is equals to 90 degree and angle QOR also 90 degree. So angle QOS plus 90 degree plus QOR is equals to QOR 90 degree plus POS plus 2 ROS. So angle, now we will write whatever is required. ROS is required. So 2 ROS is equals to angle QOS minus transpose this POS plus 90 minus 90. So 2 ROS is equals to QOS minus POS and these two will be cancelled. So ROS is equals to half of angle QOS minus POS. Hence proved. So we have come to the conclusion that ROS is equals to half of QOS minus POS. Okay. So students, let us start question number 6. Question number 6 says it is given that XYZ, angle XYZ is 64 and XY is produced to a point. Draw a figure from the given information, and if ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ. This angle we have to find, and reflex angle QYP. QYP, this is angle, reflex means this angle. This angle is reflex angle. So let us solve it. Given angle XYZ is equals to 64 degree, YQ bisects angle PYZ. It means angle PYQ is equals to angle QYZ. To find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. So how can we solve it? First of all, it is given that angle XYZ is 64 degree. But as you can see from the figure, angle PYZ plus angle XYZ are forming linear pair of angles. What are linear pair of angles? If on a straight line, if ray stands, then adjacent angles so formed, then the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So here you can say that PYX is a straight line, a ray YZ is standing on it, so these two angles are forming and the sum of these angles are 180 degree. So angle PYZ, now we know angle XYZ is 64 degree, so we can find PYZ 180 minus 64. So this is equals to 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 6 1, 116 PYZ. But PYZ is sum of these two angles, and these two angles are equal because YQ bisect this angle. So angle PYQ is equals to angle Q. From here you can see QYZ is equals to 116 by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. So these angles are 58 degree. Now we want to find reflex angle QYP. For QYP, what is a reflex angle? Suppose this is the angle AOB. So this angle is called reflex angle. So reflex angle, a reflex angle is an angle whose measure is less than 360 but more than 180 degree. You can see AOB is an angle, and this angle, this whole angle is called reflex angle. This is reflex AOB. So we want to find now reflex QYP. This is equals to 360 minus QYP. Here it is given QYP. It is 360 minus QYP. So we have found here the value of QYP, which is 58 degree. So angle QYP is equals to reflex QYP is equals to 360 minus 58. So 360 minus 58 is equals to 302 degree. We want to find XYQ. XYQ is sum of XYZ, angle XYZ plus angle QYZ. So XYZ is given 64 degree and QYZ we have found QYZ is 58 degree. So total is 112 degree. So students, it is clear now that XYQ, you can see XYQ is sum of XYZ plus QYZ. This is 64 and this is 58. So your final answer is 64 XYZ plus QYZ. 64 plus 58 is equals to 112 degree. So your answer is angle, you have to find XYQ. So your XYQ is 112 degree and reflex angle QYP is equals to 302 degree. Your XYQ is 112 degree, reflex angle QYP is equals to 302 degree.